welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to teach you how to make a PBJ. If you don't know what that is, it's a fidget toy. It is like a piece of fabric wrapped around a stress ball. It's really satisfying. I've always wanted one, but I've never gotten one. So, in this video, we're going to teach you how to make one of these. It's a little thing. So, what you'll need is one ponytail, one fidget toy stress ball, and one plain white sock like this. What?
I'm literally on the side. Could you scoop?
Okay, sorry. So, what you'll do first is you'll take this, and then you'll put it in the sock, okay?
You might need an adult.
Yes, to help.
I can't say an adult. I can't say that.
Okay, so
if you have like one of my socks, you'll have to have a little bit.
But if
excess.
like for me, since you have a really long tail, you need to have like that much excess.
Yeah.
So take your ponytail, and once you have put it in and nothing's like sticking out like that, you'll need to ponytail it at a little down, just a teensy bit. And then tie it.
Okay, good.
What?
This?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now start tying it.
I don't know why I always reuse it to this.
Okay, so once you have it like that, you'll need to take the stress ball out and do it inside out.
Wait, no, that's true.
Like this, where there's no tail.
Yeah.
And then put the ball back in. And then you're basically done.
Yeah, but if you want, you could add eyes.
Yes, so like...
And you'll need to put a ponytail if you want to.
Yeah, like for ours, we have eyes. See, mine is very soft and it's throwing up.
And it doesn't have a tail, but mine
Hers does. If you want to add a tail, where if you feel the tail from when you were making it, just tie around that. That's all you have to do if you want to.
Yeah.
So like
and that's why you hoop around this part to make it like.
Yeah. So
you
like
know where to tie it.
for mine, I feel it right there. So I would just tuck it around there and have it like that. But I don't want that. I really don't want mine to be a punny. So
you said punny.
Oh, sorry. That's all for now. Bye.
Wait.
Like and subscribe if you want to see our fidget collection.
Yeah, and see us visit trade.
Yeah. Bye for now.